let's see how to make text upper in Canva. And for your information, why people do upper their text on Canva, it's because on emphasizing and attention grabbing, which is uppercase text, is visual louder, which is making it effective for headlines, banners, and calls to actions, as well as some brands use uppercase text to convey boldness, authority, or even sophistication. So, here's how to do it. You just need to navigate to the project section on your Canva, and then after that, on your recent designs or on your designs, select one you wanted to modify the text, and then go to the page you wanted to make your text in upper or uppercase, just like this. For example, this one, like in the headline of the page, it needs to be uppercase, so it will pop up and make it attention grabbing. So just have to click this text section, and then you will navigate to the upper section, which is have these options. You just have to click this logo, which has the uppercase and lowercase logo. And after clicking on it, the whole text section will become uppercases. So another example is in this part, I will click this section of text and then just simply click on the icon again, and that's it. You have now successfully made the text upper in Canva. See you soon!